Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to display the text of a formula right on your Excel spreadsheet. So by the end of this video, you should be able to display the formula that is in column A like this in column B. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So in order to display the formulas, Excel has a formula for showing formulas. And right here in B1, I'm going to type equals formula text with a left parenthesis. And formula text is just going to show the text of the formula in whatever cell I pick right here. So in this case, I'm going to click on A1 and hit enter. And I can see equals ceiling 1201, 10. And if I click on A1 right here, that is in fact the formula that I do have in cell A1. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So if I click on B1 and I hover over the bottom right hand corner of the selected cell until my mouse turns into this thin cross, and I click with my left mouse button and drag all the way down, I can now get the formulas in each of the cells in column A displayed here in column B. So M round right here is what is in A2. Sum is what's in A3. This if function is what's in A4. And this mod function is what's in A5. So we go into this a little bit more out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.